Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin is right now pumping through the 10,000 US dollar level. And the number one question is that already the end of the road and we will go lower? Or is there massive evidence that the Bitcoin price is not topping out right now and that we can look out for higher price levels? There is one on-chain fundamental indicator pointing towards the fact that this is maybe not over yet. We will show you that. We will also go into the technicals and tell you exactly why this pump here is fundamentally different to this pump we had here with the China pump back in October 2019. We will talk about all of that, about specific price levels to look out for in the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price. So make sure you take a seat. Make sure you smash up the like button to at least 1,500 likes for that video. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. So we are here on the daily candles for the Bitcoin price, and guys, we made it. We have 10,000 US dollars finally, even though the price dipped down while you are watching the video. However, we made it, guys. Give yourself a round of applause for still sticking here in the crypto market. Give the video a like button to celebrate that with us together. And now let's get straight into it. And guys, this video is divided in two separate parts, which we will lead together in the end. One part is the technical part, where we will show you one specific technical indicator predicting the next micro top we are looking out for the Bitcoin price, and this specific one exactly up to the exact dollar predicted also this $14,000 macro top for the Bitcoin price. So we will show you that, and in the second part of the video we want to show you one specific Bitcoin on-chain fundamental indicator, which is predicting right now that this price at 10,000 US dollars in that moment is not the end of the road. Guys, this will be completely mind-blowing, so sit down, take a seat, and watch the whole video through. Let's start with the technicals before we go into the on-chain stuff, which is in our opinion as always much more important, but the technicals are important as well. So first of all, we wanted to show you one easy thing which you probably have heard about a lot before, and that's of course the golden pocket. Many analysts are using that. Also shout out to Carl from the Moon, also using it, just as DaVinci J15 and we are doing it. And this golden pocket, which we are about to show you right now, it predicted perfectly if you draw it here from the bull market high to the bear market top. We didn't draw it perfectly, but here the golden pocket, so the area between the 65 and the 61.8 exactly predicted, look at this, exactly predicted this macro high here at 14,000 US dollars. And we can use the same thing before, but guys, there's one important disclaimer. This was the bull market high and the bear market low. This is a macro high and a macro low. So this one predicted the macro high of 14,000 here. If we were to take the exact same measurement and take it here from this local high to the local low, then we can get a price range for the next local high here between the golden pocket between 11,000 and 11,200. And this lines up actually perfectly with the parking garages here we mentioned with DaVinci J15 in that video on our channel, and also approximately with the golden ratio here for the Bitcoin price. Immediate short term, we are looking out for the 11,000 US dollars. Also DaVinci J15 mentioned, and that makes a lot of sense. Once we break this psychological level of 10,000 US dollars, this local high here of 10,400 US dollars might not have too much of a significance anymore, whereas the next psychological level and the parking garage level, and also as we are showing you right now here, this next golden pocket level of 11,000 to 11,200 might play a major role here on the technicals. But guys, as always, the fundamentals are more important. We are about to show you that right now. First of all, we want to show you the volume, because the volume, guys, it is underwhelming. No matter where you look at futures exchanges, at spot exchanges, it's just completely underwhelming. We have still this downwards trend here while the price is going up. This is underwhelming and this is actually not what we would like to see. However, guys, and this is a huge, massive however, there are some other indications pointing towards that the activity of the investors, here we are not talking on the exchanges, but on chain, is increasing, and that's what it comes down to. Do you remember the video we made about the Litecoin leading indicator for Bitcoin here in this specific video? In that video, exactly 1 month ago, before we go into the significance of this leading indicator, of this on-chain investors indicator here, we want to play you just a very quick portion here of that video. Listen very close and you will much easier understand what we are about to show you after that here for the Bitcoin price. You can see that the investors activity here for Bitcoin is actually tightening up a little bit, and the moving average here is still a little bit flattening out, whereas for Litecoin, remember that was 1 month ago, somewhere in the beginning of January at 7,300, 7,500 US dollars. The people were laughing at us, but please listen carefully. We zoom here to the downside. Litecoin's investors activity, the on-chain from the blockchain pulled investors activity, is actually already breaking out and also leading the moving average here to slope towards the upside. So according to that on-chain metric here, Litecoin might be again leading the way for this bullish trend reversal. Alright guys, so you have listened to that, and according to that, the Litecoin investors activity already went up before the Bitcoin investors activity went up. The Bitcoin investors activity was slowing down, and this one is actually taking the investors activity not from the exchanges, which is measured in exchange volume, it's taking it from the Bitcoin blockchain. And we have talked about in this specific video about the significance of that. And here you can see it once again. Big massive shout out here to WOOOW. He's an amazing on-chain fundamental analyst. You know we love on-chain fundamentals. And here he said this breakout is the real deal. Fundamental investment activity is backing this 10,000 US dollar breakout. And we retweeted that. We said, true that this Bitcoin breakout is fundamentally completely different to the one we had with the China pump in October 2019 above 10,000 US dollars. Guys, fasten your seatbelts for a bumpy and volatile ride. Guys, go over to our Twitter, follow us at MMCrypto, and you will be up to date with these time-sensitive updates. But now, listen to that, guys. You can see here the Bitcoin price denominated in the blue line. And whenever the Bitcoin price is very important, macro, in a longer term, going up, you can see the investors' activity here with the slower and the faster moving averages also moving towards the upside. But this is also once again a leading indicator, and you can basically see how these are sloping towards the downside, even the slower moving averages here, before the Bitcoin price is topping out. But what we can see right now in that exact moment is that all of these moving averages, even the slower ones, are right now here moving towards the upside, indicating that the next macro bull run has just started. If this would be the top, if this 10,000 US dollars exactly here would be the top for the Bitcoin price, in that case we would already see the on-chain fundamental indicator, the investors' activity sloping towards the downside. But the opposite is actually the case. This one indicates that this macro bull run has just started over here. And remember guys, over there nearby the bottom, we already talked about that this one might be sloping towards the upside, because this is a leading indicator, but the on-chain investors activity of Litecoin is a leading indicator for the leading indicator. So by watching our video back then, you were actually heavily ahead of your time. So right now guys, let us know what you think about that. Do you think that this bumpy ride towards the upside is over, or do you think it is not over? There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Let us know, is it over or is it not over? Take part at the poll right now. By the way guys, very quickly, do you know how you know that you are a real moon boy? Well guys, this night something crazy happened, and let me go here very quickly just to the 15-minute candles. It's just so funny that I have to tell you. Well, so you know that you are a real moon boy when you, the first time since 1 or 2 years, wake up at 5 AM in the morning, which makes no sense, German time, right? 4 AM UTC, which is exactly in this candle here when Bitcoin broke the 10,000 10,000 US dollar level. And guess what? Who woke up the first time since 1 or 2 years at 5 a.m. in the morning? It was me. So, and I was so awake and I didn't know why until I checked out my phone and I saw that the price is at 10,000 US dollars. So guys, smash up the like button for all Moon Boys out there. Also guys, very important reminder. Do you remember when we made our last sponsorship? We can't remember. It's a month back in time. So if you want to support us, just scroll down to the pinned comment or to the description and you will find so many nice deals for you, and you support us with that. Since it's affiliate links, you get the Bybit free bonus of 90 US dollars by clicking that link within 24 seconds, only for experienced traders. Clicking that specific link here also in the pinned comment, after 24 seconds you get the best leverage exchange in our opinion, you get a free bonus, but very important, by longing and shorting Bitcoin on leverage, you have to be an experienced trader, of course. I mean, we shouldn't even have to mention that, it's so obvious. And also we have a discount here and a free trial with our link for 3 commas. We have TradingView, we have a 70% discount for, in our opinion, the by far best VPN out there. So guys, definitely scroll down, make sure you support us, smash up the like button if you love our videos here, make sure you engage with the video, it helps us a lot, take part at the poll, comment, share the video on Twitter and everywhere, it really helps us a lot guys and we really appreciate that. Thank you so much for that, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, and as always guys, as always, bye bye.